Hi, I'm Sufyan Pandor. I'm from Agilent. I've travelled over to MedLab from the UK, where I'm based. Happy to bring over the Bravo liquid handling platform here to the event. The Bravo is a simple, flexible liquid handling platform that can address liquid handling, whether you're working with 96 microplates, 384s, or you're working in vials or Eppendorfs. We can easily automate simple workflows such as this one. We also have solutions that are very application focused. So whether it's NGS or biotherapeutics, we have application focused solutions. I'd be very happy to take you through these and show you the system in action. Come and find us in Zabiha 4, booth A48. Thank you very much.